Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss Crout's method with example. Crout's method, it is nothing but it is a LU decomposition method. LU decomposition method means what? Lower triangular and upper triangular matrix is decomposes, and we have to getting the unknown matrix as the values of unknowns, that is x comma y comma z. So for that we have to see here Crout's method, how to solve a linear system of equation by using Crout's method, or it will say also called as it is LU decomposition method. LU decomposition method. You know the LU decomposition method is what? L means, the capital L means here lower triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix, and and capital U is called as upper triangular matrix, upper triangular matrix. So for that we have to discuss here Crout's method. This is nothing but LU decomposition. Now let me start how to solve the linear system of equation by using Crout's method. Let's see. So when you think about the Crout's method, or when you think about any method, you have to first understand what is the working rule for that method, right? So we discuss here one by one working rule or one by one steps followed by this method. So which are these steps? Let's see. So I'm discussing here first working rule is what is that for Crout's method. Let's see. So working rule, we have to use first consider given equation of system as. So I'm writing the working rule, that is number one. Consider the system of equation as the system of equation in a matrix form, in matrix form as. We have to write the system of equation in matrix form as, here is nothing but Ax is equal to b, where you know clearly, you know that Ax is equal to b, where x, capital X is nothing but here, so here is Ax means here a capital A into capital X. Capital X is nothing but, this is unknown matrix guys, this is unknown matrix. Capital X is nothing but this is unknown matrix, and we have to taken as this matrix as unknown matrix means x comma y comma z. This is a row or column type of matrix will be there. Now in this system, for consideration we call this is a system number one, or this is system one is there. So we have to observe here second is what is that you have to put in this equation as, by putting, I am writing here number 2, put A is equal to LU, put A is equal to LU, and you know the guys LU means what is that here. For consideration we have to give the equation number second. For that A is equal to LU, where L is equal to, I am writing here where L is equal to, the matrix is called as, this is a lower triangular matrix, this is a lower triangular matrix, and this can be given as, now this is a lower triangular matrix guys. You know very well how to write the lower triangular matrix means above the diagonal element the lower triangular matrix, now in this way, above the diagonal element lower triangular matrix, now in this way. Let's see, in lower triangular matrix you have to observe here, or you have to must take the diagonal element should be 1. So therefore we have to consider lower triangular matrix, first element in the first row and first column is 1, next it is L2 1, next it is L3 1. Next element or next column I am going to discuss here 0, then second diagonal element is 1, and here is L3 2. After that you have to also take the third column as, this is 0 0, and here next element is what is that here I am taking, that is a 1. So you have to must remember that diagonal element of matrix is what is that, 1. Diagonal element of a matrix is what is that here, 1, simply guys. Let's see, and what is the value of U here? U is equal to, that is upper triangular matrix, this is called as upper triangular matrix, And upper triangular matrix can be written as, you know very well, below the diagonal element all element are 0, means which are the element below the diagonal element, let's see. So you have to take first element in first row and first column for upper triangular matrix. I am considering u11, next element u12, next element u13, next element is there 0 below the diagonal element, all elements are 0, next u22 and next u23. Also that third column first row and first element, that is here third row 0, that will here again 0, and the next diagonal element is u33 for I am considering is there, for I am considering. So once again I will repeat this working rule. So first you have to take, or first you have to write the system in matrix form as, first you have to write the system in a matrix form as Ax is equal to b, guys. X is equal to b, where X is a unknown matrix, means we have to find unknown values x, y, z. In second step we have to put A is equal to Lu. So for that your system becomes, L means here lower triangular matrix, U means here upper triangular matrix, and after that equation first and second you have to write, instead of Ax you have to write Lux is equal to b. Now I am considering the next. Let Ax is equal to, guys, here b, and we put here A is equal to Lu. That is a combination of lower triangular matrix and also upper triangular matrix. That's why I am taking here Lu. So therefore number 3 step taking as, this is Lux that is equal to b. Lux that is equal to b. We called, for ready reference we have to say it is a question number, or it is equation number 3. It is equation number 3. Now again put in fourth step, we again put ux is equal to y. Put ux is equal to y, where this capital Y is called as unknown matrix, again unknown matrix, and in this unknown matrix we have to take the unknowns are y1, y2, y3. You have to take unknowns are y1, y2 and y3, and you have to find out this y1, y2, y3. Then step number 5, equation 3 becomes, after that then I am writing here equation 3 becomes, and equation 3, what is that? Equation 3 is there, this is nothing but now Lux, in this ux is equal to y, so therefore it is a clearly Ly is equal to, guys, here b. Clearly Ly is equal to here b. And number 6 step you have to observe here. So solving the equation, for this consideration you have to write the equation number 4 is there. Now solving the equation 4, we get value for y. We get the value for y, means when you solving this above equation Ly is equal to b, then after solving we have to getting that unknown matrix y, and if you have to finding the matrix y, then put the value of y into above equation, means suppose that equation is called, or I am writing here last step I am going to discuss here. So put value of y in ux is equal to y, and this ux is equal to y, guys, you solve for value of here x. You solve for value for x, and this is a working rule for Crout's method. This is a working rule for Crout's method. Once again I repeat this working rule. So number first, we have 2 steps followed here. So consider the given equation of system is x is equal to b, where x is unknown matrix. Now in this system we called, this is equation number 1. For example, this is equation number 1. In this system we have to write A is equal to Lu. So your equation becomes here Lux is equal to b, and after that you have to also substitute for ux is equal to y, and find the value for y. After finding the value for y, we have to take the equation as ly is equal to b. We have to take equation 3 as ly is equal to b, and we have to find the values for unknown matrix y, and after finding the values of y, you take again equation ux is equal to y and solve for the value of x, and then we have to getting value for unknowns, that is x, and that is your target, right? That is your target, and this is working rule for Crout's method. Understood, guys? I hope you have to understand this very well, what is a Crout's method. Now let me start an example on Crout's method. Means I'm solving here linear system of equation by using Crout's method. Now let me start the problem on Crout's method. Let's see. Given here the system of equation as solved by Crout's method. So system of equation is given to you, that is a 3x plus y plus z equal to 4. Number second, x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 3. Number third, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 4. So guys, this is a Crout's method you have to give one here. This is a Crout's method you have to give one here. Means we have to, this is not Crout's method, this is a linear system of equation you have to give one. So this is what? This is a linear system of equation, guys. Linear system of equation. And we have to solve it. So what is the target? I am targeting, what is that? Here we have to find very clearly, find the values of x, y and z. Or what is the aim is here? I am writing what is the aim. We have to find value of x, y, z, x comma y and z. So we have to find the values of x, y, z by using here Crout's method. Let's see how it will be used here, Crout's method, by following the working rule. So first I am writing the system as ax is equal to b. So therefore let me start the solution. The above equation of system can be written as, I am writing here, above equation of system can be written as ax is equal to b, guys. Ax is equal to b. So you know A is a coefficient matrix, B is a constant matrix, X is an unknown matrix. For that we have to consider, this is equation number 1. So what is the equation A, or what is the matrix A is there? So A is nothing but it is a 3, 1 and 2. Next second column I am writing here 1, 2 and 1. Third column I am writing here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is what? This is a matrix A. This is matrix A. Unknown matrix, you have to observe in system of equation. What are the unknowns here? Unknowns here simply x, y, z, guys. X, y, z. And you have to lastly write what is a matrix B. That is a column matrix. I have to write here 4, 3, 4. This is column matrix, and this system is nothing but this is Ax is equal to B. Now this is step number first, guys. This is step number first. We have to must write the given system of equation in the form of Ax is equal to B. After that you have to write let capital A is nothing but here LU. Capital A is nothing but here LU. For that we have to consider, this is equation number 2, guys. So I am writing LU is what? You know the matrix A is 3, 1 and 2, then 1, 2 and 1, then 1, 2 and 3. This is what, guys? This is a matrix A, that is equal to LU. You know, guys, how to take LU, that is a lower triangular matrix. Its diagonal element should be 1. Therefore this can be written as 1 L2 1 L2 3. Next one is what is that here? 0 1. Here L3 1 is there. So the place of third row and third column is there L3 and 1. L3 1. This one is L3 2. Now 0 0 and this will becomes 1 is there. This will becomes 1. This is nothing but this is a matrix, lower triangular matrix. Now I am writing here upper triangular matrix. This can be written as a U11. next position u12, next u13, next one is a 0, second diagonal element is u22, u23, next one is a 0, u, or here is also 0, and here is a u33, because these matrices are lower and upper triangular matrices. These matrices are lower and upper triangular matrices. So L is this matrix, means lower triangular matrix is this. Above the diagonal element all elements are 0, and in lower triangular matrix above the diagonal element or below the diagonal element all elements are 0. So that is called as upper triangular matrix is there. That is called as upper triangular matrix. In upper triangular matrix, below the diagonal element all elements are 0, and in lower triangular matrix above the diagonal element all elements are 0. That is simple definition. So in this step I am considering A is equal to, guys, LU. Now we solving A is equal to LU, guys. We solving now A is equal to LU. So therefore I am writing here. So therefore I am writing here again A is equal to LU. It is nothing but matrix A. I am writing here, that is a 3 1 2 3 1 2. Then second column 1 2 1. Third column, that is 1 2 and 3. Next, that is equal to LU. I am writing again L is a 1, then L 2 1, L 3 1. Next one is 0, next element is 1, L 3 2, next element is 0 0, and here L 3 3. This is a lower triangular matrix, guys, and now I'm writing here upper triangular matrix, that is again u11, u12, u13, then 0, u22, u23, here is a 0 0, u33. You have to just multiply L into U matrix, so therefore this is equal to, you have to just multiply A into L into U matrix, so therefore this can be written as, this is a matrix multiplication is there, guys. Simply first row and first column, I am writing first row and first column first row and first column. So 1 into u11, that will becomes u11. Next plus is a 0 and plus is also 0. This is because first row and first column multiplication is there. Now we are going to discuss here second row and second column, guys. Second row and second column means in second row, that is a u12 plus 0 plus 0. Next, first row third column u13, guys, plus 0 plus 0, u13 plus 0, and here is also plus 0, means 1 into u1, that is a u11, 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 0. Then first row and first column, guys, you observe here. Then second element is there, how it will be accessed. Second element, first row and second column, 1 into u12 is there, 0 into u22, 0 0 into 0 0. In this way you have to access this element in the product of matrix. Now next, second row and second column you will have to get also second row and first column, also second row and third column is now product is now in this way. This is u11 L21, u11 L21 plus 0 plus 0. Next, u12 L21 plus u22 is 1 into u22 plus here 0. In the last I am writing u13 L21 plus u23 plus here, guys, 0. Next, third row first column means u13 L31 plus 0 plus 0. Next one is, what is that, u12 L31 plus u22 L32 plus 0. Next one is, what is that, here u13 L31 u13 L31 plus u23 L32 plus u33 L33 u33 L33 plus u33 and L33. L33 means, what is that, here I am writing L33 instead of this L33 I am writing here 1. Instead of L33 I am writing here 1, because in lower triangular matrix all elements of diagonal means all diagonal elements it should be 1. So therefore instead of that L33 I have to write here 1 is there only. I have to write here 1. So therefore this is a product of matrix. We have to getting L into U, and guys you have to only access the element. So I am writing again here, I am writing again 3 1 2, then 1 2 1, and 1 2 3. So this is a matrix guys. That matrix is called as A, and A is equal to LU is there. A is equal to LU. So there is now very easy to understanding here. How can I do, or how can I access the element? So it is simply comparing the element guys. It is simply equating both sides column wise. I am writing here equating. Comparing means here equating both sides column wise, and I am taking both sides as column wise equating or comparing. Then it will get, or it will access the element as, let's say guys, you have to first getting first row or first column. I am taking here first column access here, then after that in second column, after that in third column. So I am writing here clearly first column comparison is there. So first column comparison, first column comparison. For how to write the first column comparison, let's see guys here. First column comparison I am taking here. Let's see how to write the first column comparison. Now you know clearly U11 is equal to what? First column. So U11 is equal to clearly here 3. U11 clearly here 3. Next we have to write U12 is equal to what? Similarly you have to getting here in first column, what is that here? U11 L21, U11 L21, U11 L21 is what is that here? Simply getting 1. Next third, that is U13 L31 equals to U13 L31 equals to, what is the axis element is there guys? Let's see. This 3 goes to U11, 1 goes to U11 L21, and 2 goes to U13 L31. This here is a 2. So I am accessing the values as now in this way. So if U11 L21 is equal to 1, you know the value of U11. U11 value is what is that? I am finding above U11 value, that is a 3 into L21, that is equal to 1. So that implies L21 is equal to, what is that guys? Here is 1 divided by 3. Now similarly if we find L31, right? L31 means in third column, what is that here? Multiplication, that is a U11 into, let's see. Now this element is guys, this element is a U11. Now not here U13. So that's why I am taking here U11 into L31. So therefore U11 L31. Let's see U11 and L31. So let's see how it will be, right? You know the value for U11. U11 is again 3. L31 that is equal to 2. So we have to getting here L31 that is equal to 2 divided by 3 guys. 2 divided by 3, that is called as a first column comparison here. Now similarly I am doing here second column comparison. So let's see how to write the second column comparison. So here I am writing second column comparison. In the second column comparison I have to write here very clearly. You check the second column is what guys? Second column is U12 access to, what is that? 1. So therefore here U12 access, therefore that is equal to 1. In next U12 L21, U12 L21 plus U22, that is going to access is what is that here? 2. So therefore I have value for I have value for u12 value is what is that? U12 value is, I'm already find out in above equation, that is 1 into L21, you know that here 1 divided by 3 plus u22, and that is equal to 2, so that implies u22 that is equal to 5 divided by 3 after the calculation, guys. You check this, 5 divided by 3. Now next, column wise comparison, that is second column. I have to writing here now u12 L31 plus u22 L32 is equal to 1, is equal to 1. So therefore I have value for u12 is 1, L31 is 2 divided by 3 plus u22 is 5 by 3 into L32. I have to find out here L32, so therefore L32 as it is, and that is equal to 1. And after calculating L32 is equal to 1 divided by 5, guys. 1 divided by 5. Now after that we have to taking here column wise comparison, that is third column comparison is there. I have to underline what are the values we have to find here. I have to underline what are the values you have to find. So u11 is 3, then L21 is 1 by 3, then L31 is 2 by 3, then u12 is 1, then u22 is 3, then L32 is 1 by 5. Now in third column comparison is there, so remaining is a third column wise comparison. So I am writing here third column comparison. So in third column comparison you have to clearly getting the value for u13, guys. Value for u13, and u13 clearly it is getting here 1. u13 is 1. Next value we have to find out here u13 plus u13 into L21 plus u23, that is equal to directly here 2, but u13 already we have to find. L21 is nothing but here 1 by 3 plus u23 is nothing but here we have to find out here, so I am writing u23 that is equal to here 2. So after simplifying you will have to getting u23 is equal to, it is nothing but it is also 5 divided by 3. Now third column comparison, and the last element we have to comparing here, that is a u11 into L31 plus u23 into L2 or L32, and third column comparison u13 L31 u23 L32 plus u33 plus here u33. So what is that u33, guys? You check here, u33 is assigned value 3, so u33 it assigns value 3. So therefore I am writing again here, so that implies, so you know the value of u13 is 1, L31 is 2 divided by 3 plus u23 value is 5 divided by 3 into L32, that will get 1 by 5 plus u33 as it is we have to find out this, and that is equal to 3. This 5 and 5 get cancelled, and remaining is a 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus u33, and that is equal to 3. So therefore after simplifying you will have to getting u33 that is equal to 3 minus 1, and therefore u33 is equal to 2. So therefore you have to just find out here what is that values of L21 L23 L31 u21 u23 and u23 in this way. Therefore I have to write the matrix as now in this way, means therefore after substituting this value in matrix L and matrix U, that is in lower triangular matrix as well as in upper triangular matrix. So therefore this L can be taken as, this is a 1 0 0 Then next element is what is that? L21 1 0, L31 L32 0, and not a 0 is there, 1 is there guys, and therefore this is equal to, I have to write the values of L21 L31 L32. So therefore 1 0 0 is there, L21 value is L21, that will get 1 divided by 3, then 1, then 0, L31 that will get 2 divided by 3, here is 1 by 5, and here is 0. So that is L matrix. U matrix also written as, what is U matrix? U matrix is nothing but U11 U12 U13, then 0 U22 U23, then 0 0 and U33. And this can be given as by substituting the values in this matrix. So therefore this will becomes 3 1 1, next 0 5 by 3 5 by 3, 0 0 and here 2, 0 0 and here 2. So therefore by equation you know the which is equation, Ax is equal to b and A is equal to Lu. So therefore I have to write Lu x. A is nothing but Lu guys, so therefore Lux is equal to b. Now I am considering Lux is equal to b. That is equation number 4 reference guys, that is equation number 4. And I am taking this example on next page. Let's see. I know that also Ax is equal to b guys, and A is equal to guys Lu. So therefore I am writing here Lux that is equal to b, but I am taking Ux as y, for consideration. This is equation number 4 guys, and y is nothing but that is unknown matrix. This can be written as y1 y2 and y3. This can be written as y1 y2 and y3. Now this is Ux is equal to y guys, so therefore this is equation 3. Therefore equation 3 becomes so how will you write the equation 3? Let's see. So Lux is equal to b means Ly is equal to b guys is there. Therefore Ly is equal to simply b. So you know the matrix L matrix is, you know that is a 1, here is a 1 by 3, here is a 2 by 3. Next element I have to write now in this way. You have to just put up the matrix values in this equation. So you have to write first L means what? Here first element is 1, next 1 divided by 3, next 2 divided by 3, next value that is a 0 1, and here 1 divided by 5, next one is a 0 0 and here 1. So this bracket will complete here, and next you have to write unknown. Y taken as what is that? Y1 y2 y3. Next that is equal to b. B is nothing but, you have to observe guys what is a b. So what is a b? B is this matrix. B is 4 3 4. That is constant matrix. B is 4 3 and 4. And now we have to just solve this system of equations. So therefore solving equations, corresponding values are what is that? Here you have to just taking corresponding value. 1 into y1 is equal to 4, so y1 is equal to 4 is there. Now next value here is 3y1 means 1 by 3 y1. Here is 1 by 3 y1 plus y2 that is equal to 3, and next value is what is that? 2 by 3 y1 plus 1 by 5 y2 plus here y3 that is equal to here 1. So you have to obtain which value? So first value I have to obtain here, y is equal to 4. Now in second, what is that? Here clearly you know that 1 by 3 into y1 value I am already find out is there into 4 plus y2 that is equal to 3. So that implies y2 is equal to that is 3 minus 4 divided by 3, and so that implies after calculating this y2 is nothing but it is a 5 divided by 3 guys. Y2 is nothing but it is a 5 divided by 3, and therefore here is 1, so that implies I have to find the values now y1. Therefore 2 by 3 y1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 y2 minus y3. So how it will be, write this 1 minus 1 by 5 into what is the value of y2? Y2 is what is that here 5 divided by 3, and minus y3 is as it means I have to write now this in this way. Y3 y1 is already calculated guys, y1 is already calculated, right? So therefore I have to write now this in this way. You have to find out only the value of here y3. So therefore that is equal to y3 equals to, can I write now this 2 minus of 2 by 3 into y1. Y1 is a 4 minus 1 by 5 into what is that here y2. Y2 is a 5 divided by 3, and here plus 1, and after calculation you have to getting y3 is equal to here guys 1. After calculating we have to getting y3 is equal to 1. So therefore equation 4 becomes equation ux is equal to y becomes I have find now values for y as y1 as a 4, y2 as 5 by 3, and y3 as 1. Therefore ux is equal to y. Can I write now this ux is upper triangular matrix, means here 3 0 and here 0, then 1, then 5 divided by 3, here 0, next 1, here also 5 divided by 3, here 2. That is a matrix u. You already find out this x matrix guys is x, y and z, and matrix y you have already find the values for y1, y2, y3. Y1 is a 4, y2 is a 5 divided by 3, and y3 is guys here 1. So let this is a matrix. Now I have to also comparing, so therefore comparing equations we get what is that? First we have to getting here value for z, and z that is equal to 1 guys. Z is equal to 1. Comparing we get z is equal to 1, means here 2z is equal to 1 guys. So I am writing once again is there. After comparison you have to getting 2z is equal to 1. So therefore 2z is equal to 1. So that implies guys z is equal to what? 1 divided by 2. Z is equal to what? 1 divided by 2. And let also you have to see the second row, means in the second row what is that? The coefficient of 5 by 3 into y plus 5 by 3 into z, that is equal to here 5 divided by 3. So clearly guys here y plus z is equal to 1 is there, because 5 by 3 throughout the cancel, you know the value for y. So therefore I am writing here y plus z value is 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. So that implies y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So that implies y is equal to 1 divided by 2. Y is equal to 1 divided by 2. Now you observe the third equation. What is the third equation? I have to write 3 1 1, means it is a 3x plus y plus z, and that is equal to what is that here 4. You know the value of y and z, so this can be written as this is a z is equal to, or I am writing here clearly 3x is equal to, but you know that what is the value of 3x, so that can be written as 3x equals to guys this is 4 minus y minus z, and that implies x is equal to 4 minus y minus z upon 3. Means what is that here? 4 minus y means what is that? Minus half. minus half divided by 3, that will equal to 4 minus half and minus half, that is minus 1, that is 3, and that is equal to 3 divided by 3, guys. So therefore that implies x is equal to clearly here 1. Therefore that implies x is equal to clearly here 1. So hence x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2, and z is equal to 1 by 2. Hence solution of given system is x equal to, guys, 1, y is equal to 1 by 2, and z is equal to 1 by 2. This is a solution of given system, and hence this solution. I hope you have to understand this concept and this example very well. In this session we seen what is a Crout's method and what is example, or what is example by solving the Crout's method. I hope you have to understanding this very well. Thank you, guys.